Hey guys, it's Crystal the Fit Mom. There is one question that has been going around about Kachava, and it is, why does it cost so much? So that is a good question. But this is where reading the back of things, reading the labels comes in handy, because it will explain to you why this product is a little, more pricier than others. Of course, I wasn't there with them when they went to go source all these ingredients and blend them and all that stuff. I'm just going by what the back of the bag says. But in my opinion, Kachava did hit all the points as far as taking a bunch of superfoods and blending them together to make an amazing meal replacement that does not taste disgusting. That's the thing. There's a bunch of meal replacements, but some of them taste just terrible, and they leave that awful aftertaste, with you afterwards. But Kachava, I can actually say, like, the 3 flavors that I did have, the chocolate was my favorite for a minute, and then I just overdid it and I was like, all right, I gotta switch to something else. Chai right now, it's my favorite. It gives me like a holiday, like, I don't know, it's like a cinnamony thing going on. I really like that. That's my favorite right now. And of course, vanilla is always good because you can make vanilla be whatever you want it to be. Now, back to the labels. So with Kachava, I do believe they hit all the points as far as, making it good for everybody. For instance, it's vegan. It's no soy, no dairy, gluten-free, like all that stuff that some people want, right? That some people require. It's that. It only has 240 calories. It has 4 grams of fiber. It has 25 grams of protein, which of course to me, that is awesome. It has 26 essential vitamins. And I'm not going to pretend I can see any of this stuff, but I'm just holding it up so when I put up a comparison, you guys know where I was looking. It has 17 greens and veggies. It has superfood fruits. It has the omega-3s from chia seed and flax. So, I mean, it has just about everything. And then my thing is, when you look over on the side where it says the daily recommended value, right? If it at least has like half or close to half of what your body needs to function, that's awesome. That's good in my book, right? As far as the vegetables, it has broccoli, asparagus, spinach, carrots, green onion, beets, just everything that you hear that's awesome for your body is all ground up and put into this bag. And I truly believe like they worked hard as far as getting everything together to not make it taste gross, because all the things that I just named, think about that together, that would taste terrible. But they formulated whatever's in here, they formulated it and made it taste to where it's actually, tolerable is not even the word. It's really good. I really, really like it. But in my opinion, this is why Kachava is more expensive, because like I said, I think it contains more, it has more than anything else. And of course, this is where when you read the labels and compare, you have to compare. Now, of course, there might be something out there that's less expensive that you're like, you know what? This works for me. This is better for me. It's not as expensive and you can deal with the taste. But again, if you can afford it, or you want to actually spend the money on this, I think it's worth it. But again, there are other things out there that might work for you, right? But yeah, that's all I got. Like I said, that's been like all over. People are like, why does it cost so much? Why is it $70? Why is it $70? But what is everybody the saying? You get what you pay for, right? You can get another meal replacement that's, $25, $30, that's in a little can like this big, and it's over with, it's gone. It doesn't fill you up, and you're like burping up this disgusting taste. So, but anyways, that's all I got. I just wanted to address that and tell you guys, if you ever want to know why something is so expensive or cost a little more than others, just read the back of the label, do a little label comparison, and that might answer some of your concern. But with that being said, I am about to make my Kachava shake right now, because it's like I need it. Like, my body, after a while, my body's like, all right, where's my shake at? And it does fill me up.